Hello, Joe from Luvele. We have a new vacuum sealer bag design I'd like to share with you. Our Luvele vacuum sealers are some of the best-selling and most feature-packed products on the market. To complement our range, we have developed our all-new Alum vacuum sealer bags. Many of you may have heard and know of the Mylar bags. Our new Alum bags are constructed in the same way as the Mylar bag. They have an extra thick design and are constructed with premium aluminium, PET and PE layers to form a superior barrier against light, water vapour and oxygen. However, unlike Mylar bags, we have designed a Luvele Alum bags with cross air vent channel technology on both sides of the bags. This means they are able to be reliably vacuum sealed with all home-style vacuum sealer machines and brands. They are also FDA LFGB compliant and BPA and phthalate free. Our Alum bags are best for long-term storage for items such as bulk grains, powders and dry foods, while our standard clear plastic bags are ideal for storing foods like meats, vegetables and leftovers. So for the ultimate long-term food storage and preservation solution, try our new Alum vacuum bags today. Visit our website to place your order. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.